I was sent this set of edger blades and asked to give my opinion on it and make this short video. So here it goes. Here's how they're going to get shipped to you. They come wrapped up in this plastic with a lot of tape. And this is so that the sharp edges on the ends of the trimmer blades don't puncture the box. So it'll come in one piece and the box won't get cut open. Because you're going to see on these, they have a serrated edge here that pokes out and really makes these really effective. So this is a pack of 3. You're going to note on these that they have some printing that says this side out. This side out. What you're going to need to note about that is by putting this side out, the rotation of the edger will be proper, and now the serrated edge will do the work cutting through the grass. Otherwise, you're going to have this dull edge, and that's it. These are all powder coated, really well made. They're heavy. There's a lot of weight to them. This one comes in a pack of 3. You can see how thick these are here. Really got some mass to them. It's going to work well on your edger for quite some time, but you've got 3 of them, so as they wear out, you can swap them out. These are going to have a length of about 7.5 inches here, and then the hole, the diameter of the hole is 1/2 inch. So you're going to want to make sure that you have a compatible trimmer that will fit with that hole size, because some of them are different, some are larger. So you're going to want to check that, double check with your trimmer. So 1/2 inch hole, 7.5 inch blade, and you can see the cutting capability of these look great. These are going to be really durable and well liked for all summer. Hey, I hope this video was helpful. Hope this information was useful to you. And as always, I hope you have a great day.